Respected sir and my dear friends, hello, good evening to all of you. I am Barjesh Kumar. Today I am gonna to discuss about how does electricity produce in thermal power plant. Okay, we can understand from this figure. Okay, and in this figure we will discuss in about three part. One part in about coal, second part in power transmission, and third in we discuss about water cycle. First. We will discuss about coal. When coal reached in coal yard area, at that time two types of baigan reached in coal yard area. One type whose baigan is totally covered. In this type of baigan, in the bottom part two hole is available. With the help of this two hole, when this hole is opened, then in this with the help of this hole, coal unloaded. And when this type of baigan reached in coal yard area, that means upper part is opened. In the with the help in this type of baigan, we will unloaded by the help of baigan tippler. Baigan tippler means when baigan tippler remove whole baigan is reversed in opposite direction. By the help of this process, coal is unloaded, and after that coal goes in coal yard area, and after unloaded, we can send any section of whole plant by the help of conveyor belt. Conveyor belt means double putty, double blade type, double covered blade conveyor belt. With the help of conveyor belt, we can send any section of power plant. We send coal, and when coal reached in coal area, at that time coal hasn't any fixed size. Due to this reason, we will have to send coal in crusher machine, where with the help of crusher machine, coal is divided a small part. After that, dividing this coal, we will have to send this coal in pulverizing machine. Their side, with the help of this pulverizing machine, coal converted in powdered. After that, we send powdered coal in their side, and when their side is totally this is a boiler in which coal is burned. With the help of burning coal, in tube water is filled. After that, from burning of coal, water is heated, and when water is heated at superheated temperature, at that time steam is generated, and with the help of this steam, turbine is operated. Before going this section, we can understand about two types of ash. That one is fly ash. Fly ash means it is very light. Due to this reason, it goes to air, and when fly ash will goes to air, due to this reason our environment is polluted. From stopping and decreasing our environment polluted, their side one machine is installed, which is called electrostatic precipitator. In this machine, all fly ash is stick their side. Due to this reason, our environment is safe from fly ash. And second is bottom ash. Bottom ash means it is heavy ash. Due to this reason, bottom ash is goes to their side, and their side is pond is made, and here bottom ash are stored, and this bottom ash is sent to cement factory. And after we will discuss about second part. It means power transmission. When a steam is formed with the help of burning of coal, by the help of this steam turbine is operated. This is a turbine blade, and where a steam is entered, this is called high pressure turbine, and their side, and where side a steam is exist, this is called low pressure turbine. And when a steam is entered, at that time a steam temperature is 540 degree to 1000 degree, and this is high, this is very high pressure temperature. Due to this reason, turbine blade removed very high speed, and with the help of this turbine blade, one shaft is connected, connected of generator shaft, and when generator shaft is removed, and here side main theory is applied. Main theory is we know about Faraday law. Faraday law says that when between two magnet any conductor remove with very high speed, then electricity produce. At that time this shaft is removed very high speed, means 3000 rpm. RPM means revolution per minute. It means within 1 minute it removes 3000 round. Due to this reason electricity produce, and this produced electricity we can send in transformer, and here side a step up transformer used. A step up means which type of transformer which increase the voltage of this produced electricity, and this electricity we can easily send to very long distance. Okay, and after now we will discuss about water cycle. Water cycle, this when steam's temperature is slowly decrease, their side steam converted into water, and this water is stored in a condenser, and this water is, and their side this water is comes not totally cooled. Due to this reason this water is goes to cooling in cooling tower, and cooling tower where side water is fall the above of cooling tower, and from this whole natural air goes to upper side, and when steam contacts in natural air, then water forms, steam converted into water, and their side from river their side steam pumping system is available, and their side reservoir means their side lots of water stored, and when in the river any type of event happen, as like maintenance work, and when and lots of wrong way, at that time we can't take water from this river. At that time we can work from reservoir, stored reservoir water, and reservoir water goes to their side, and their side is cooling water is goes to going to warm up, and their side warm water is going to cooling, and this both tube is made very closed. Due to this reason by the help of this heat, this water is slightly warm, and due to this cooled water, this water is slightly cool, and their side is water is goes to warm, and their side one economizer is available. Economizer means before going to water is water tube, water is little bit warm. Due to this reason when we economically benefit from economizer. Thank you, and this is my simple idea about thermal power plant. If you have any doubt, then you can ask any question.
As you know that production of electricity with the help of thermal power plant, okay, it's required abundant of coal, okay, and as you also know that coal is a non-renewable resources. So how it can be possible in future to generate thermal power plant with coal, as it is in limited amount in our environment?
And this is very good question. As we know that in whole power generation, coal with the help of coal 35 to 40% produced with the help of electricity, and remain whole electricity produced with the help of solar energy and wind energy and other type of energy produced sources produced, and all we know that coal is a non-renewable source. Due to this reason we will work other sources like solar power plant and wind power plant and nuclear power plant, this type of.
Many times we see that non-smelling gases is leaked in a factory. If that type of if that type of situation will happen in this type of power plant, then what will be the necessary steps taken by the factory at the very same time?
When any type of gas is leakage, at that time when any worker goes to doing her job, at that time officers and higher level officer says that you should go to with gas leakage detector. When you will go to taken with gas detector, then with the help of this machine, easily gas detector, when any type of gas leakage in your working area, with the help of this machine you can easily save, and when any type of gas leakage, then you can you should remove from their side, and after this machine you can save.
What were the safety measures taken by the authority of the thermal power plant for the workers who were working in such plants?
For safety, any worker, lots of facility is provided by the company, any type of company. It means safety shoes, safety helmet, and when any worker is goes to doing her job at high altitude, at that time you will have to wear the safety belt. And when any worker goes to gas area, doing work in gas area, at that time you will have to goes taken with gas detector machine. Due to this gas detector machine, when any type of gas is leakage in their side, at that time you can escape from their side, and you can safely work this process.
Many times we see that the factory releases waste materials which is which is harmful for the environment. In the same way, what are the necessary steps taken by the power plant to convert their waste material also to the useful things?
And when waste material removed by the help of this type of company, and this type of waste material used in cement factory in their side, earlier I discussed about bottom ash, and this bottom ash we will send in cement factory, and cement factory used for making cement bottom ash, okay, and lots of wasted material also used in making our road. It means there are lots of wasted material used for coal tar and cement factory, okay.
And what about fly ash?
Yes, and fly ash, nothing. Fly ash we removed for going to environment. When if fly ash goes in our environment, due to this fly ash, our environment is very polluted. Okay, due to stopping environment polluted, their side one electrostatic precipitator machine is used, and all this fly ash sticked in their side in this machine, and our environment is safe from fly ash. It means we can say that fly ash is harmful, okay. Due to this reason, all fly ash is stick to their side.
It is easy to install thermal power plant privately for generating the electricity. And one more question, how much it's take cost to install such types of power plant?
And as your question, I would like to tell you, and what is need the personal use for so big power plant. For any person only used for one house electricity, used we can operate fan, AC and light. Then with the help of this power plant, what will do this whole power plant? And I think in personally no need for installing this type of power plant. And when your need is completed at low cost, then what is need for installing big power plant? And when you installed, then produced electricity, what will do?
And what were the cost taken to place install such types of power plant, thermal power plant?
For installing this type of thermal power plant, you need very lots of money. And you know about coal. coal is very costly. But in our India, coal is presented. This is not very good coal. In this our India, coal is very as presented in our coal. But for producing this type of power plant, we can bring from Australia and other country, and from bringing this type of coal, we will have to spend lots of money. Due to this reason, for installing this type of power plant, you need lots of money.
Sir, as we all know that for establishing this type of factory, many poor people lost their land due to this type of factory. And what are the major things provided by the power plant for the welfare of this type of people? Job or anything like that?
For installing this type of power plant, who person lost their lands, instead government and company company is provided lots of facility, whose person lost their land, as like who person lost their land, at least one person is get job in this power in this type of power plant. Okay, and after that, I would like to tell you for your kind of knowledge, in 8-kilometer area, lots of facilities provided by the all company. It means education, a street light, and drinking water, road, and light. Who person belongs to this type of area, it means their children goes to study at very little cost, and at time to time, one campaign is going on with the help of this company for checking health of who person belongs to this area.